David Imanshama. I'm SIGCHI VP of Operations, and I want to give you a quick update on what happened in the last year in operations and under SIGCHI. So operations basically manages all the technology infrastructure for SIGCHI. This includes working with PCS on new features and flows, as well as mobile apps and anything else involved that is needed for organizers or authors to produce conferences and content and papers. Involved software, it comes under us. So first of all, we continue working with the communications team on getting content to the website, which is very important. These are things like the TOC and conference financials and other bits. It's a complicated semi-automated structure that really helps us push stuff out for members to use and view. And that's done with Lindsay and Madeline over the kind of cross-appointed between comms and operations. Next, we have Koala. Now, Koala is actually really interesting because it is a conference scheduling tool that helps general chairs and technical chairs put together sessions and papers and make sure there's not conflicts and kind of lay out the program. But recently, we used to have these mobile apps, and we killed them because designing apps for app stores is very arduous given our resources, and it's a lot faster to make web apps. So we replaced them all with a progressive web app, which can render on your browser on your MacBook or your iPhone or your Android tablet or Oculus, wherever you're browsing the web. It's responsive, it's accessible, it lets us move very fast for adding features, and that's very important. And that is done with Hirsch looking at accessibility, as well as Max and Scooter thinking about the overall flow and features that are needed, and also taking in feedback from all the technical chairs and general chairs who use the system as we move forward. Now, this became very important because in the current situation, a lot of conferences need to go virtual, which meant we had to add video. Now, the video team is run by Roman, David, and two new people, Kash and Minsuk, and they did a great job interfacing with the conferences as well as the Koala and Progressive Web App system to get those videos and DOIs, actually papers, linked directly into the web program. So you want to virtually see what's going on at a conference. You can see the session organization. You can dive right into a video, and there's more to come. We're hoping to add Slido links and live streams and other features into that overall ecosystem that we're building out. Finally, a lot of work happens with conjunction with folks at the ACM. Really great. We're thinking about adding more virtual and remote attendee features for conferences to run. This includes webinars, maybe VR, live stream rooms, and other pieces of infrastructure that we could think about testing and scaling out so that they're scalable and accessible and usable for everybody, whether or not the whole conference is virtual or it's a sort of hybrid, half virtual or not. And that's what's going on. So any questions, you just fire us emails. Thanks. I asked Cliff for a star wipe, so I'm hoping to get one.